Welcome to part 2 of how to create your own animation video using Animaker. If you missed the part 1, you can go to our YouTube channel and get to see it so that you will find it easy to tag along with this particular tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be going straight to the point because we're going to be using a template to create a project. So we are just going to demonstrate to you how you can use a template on the Animaker website to create your animated video. So you just once you get to the platform, look for an appropriate template that suits the occasion or event you want to make this video for. So you click on that template. Once you click on the template, it opens up. Now I've selected a template. It's a birthday template, and let's see it. Let's see how it opens up. You see, once it opens up, you're going to see the character there. You see some few text on it. Then on the right hand corner, you see different scenes that have already been prepared for you. But if you don't like any of this, you can also create your own blank project by starting from beginning. So just go through the text, through the different scenes. You can see the different scenes. On the left hand corner, you can see the different characters. So you can also add characters from the free characters that you are seeing on the left hand side, or you want to create your own character. But if you need to create your own character on this platform, I think you will need a premium version to be able to do that. So looking at the left hand corner, you see different labels or buttons that you can actually select from. Maybe you want to put in your text, you want to change color, you want to change the background. Everything has been provided for you. So this time around, so let's see how we can input text. You click on the text on the scene. That's one format. Once you click on it, on the left hand, the window opens up where you can see the text, the font, the size. You see where you can reduce the size, color, and even at the top corner, at the left top corner, you can also see how you can animate your text by adding some smart move, or just animate the text the way you want it to come in and leave the scene. So if you don't like the text that has been displayed, you can click on it, delete, and then input your own text. That's what I'm doing currently. So I'm just going to input my own text. Okay. Once you're done with that, you can proceed to changing either the font size, either the font, the size, or the color. You can also drag the text around. Just click on the arrow that is below the text. You can use it to drag it downward or move it upwards. Once you're done with that, like I said, you can change the color. Change the color of the text to an appropriate one that suits your event. So that's one thing I like about this website. You don't need so much of an experience to start using this platform. Now I want the text to be more legible or visible, so I'm going to use a white color because we have a blue background. Okay, so this is more visible to the eyes. So this is our scene 1. You can see the Animaker watermark on the lower right hand corner. This is because I'm using the free version. If you're a trial version, if you want to use a premium version, probably have that watermark removed when you publish your video. So basically, it's how you input your text. Once you are done with that, you can look at the characters. Let's proceed to another scene. Okay, so you can add your own text. Maybe you want to add additional text to the scene. Just go to the left hand corner, click on the text button. It opens up. You have the option to either add a subheading, add the heading or small body text. Click on it, it appears. Then just like we saw initially, type in whatever text you want to add to the scene. And this time around, I just want to proceed to make sure that the font format is the same as the text that are already displayed on the scene. I don't want something that will look awkward at the end of the day. Okay, now I have the appropriate text format. So let's look at the character, how we can add some input to the character. Once you click on the character on the scene, you see the different version of your character. Okay, you can see the action or the emotion, whatever you want, however you want the character to be displayed. You want the character to display happiness. You click on the happy character. You want the character to appear sad. Click on the sad character. You want the character that is talking and explaining something. You click on that and you automatically see the changes on the scene. And that is what is being demonstrated here. Now you see my character changing. Well, it's a happy day, so just put a character that is happy. And so I'm looking at that's a smiling face. Okay, want the character to look sad. Hey, Jane. You can see now Jane is sad. Since yeah, shows that Jane is sad. I can afford to change it back. Okay, so Jane is in love. Okay, so since it's birthday, I think it will be more appropriate to have a happy Jane, like we just seen. So the next thing I want to do now is to click on the background icon in order to change the background. If you're not satisfied with the background already preset, so you want to change it to a more appropriate background. This looks more like a beautiful a beautiful apartment that is suitable for a party. So just adjust my character a little bit by reducing the size in order to fit into the background. You can also aside changing the background, you can also add some effects to the background. Okay, so to select your background, it's there, clearly there on the left hand corner. You see it, left hand corner. You can do that. Just click on the icon, whatever you want to do is on the left hand corner. You click on the icon. Okay. Of course, want to add audio, because we need nice audio at the background. So you can also go to the left hand corner, click on the music icon. Once you do that, you have options to select from. If you are not satisfied with that, you can always import. But this time let's add the effect first. Let's see. I have something that looks like a decoration. So I'm just going to click on that. Okay, it has appeared. You see it? Wow, this looks beautiful. So we have a decorated background for Jane. You can always change the icon. You can put your name. You can put the friend's name on it. Okay, so let's add some speech. So here we just click on the text. Uh, Once you click on that, um, we're going to type in a few texts and convert them into speech. Okay, then choose the best voice that best matches your character. Okay, the female voice, the male voice. There are different options for you to select from. Some are free, while others can only be made available on the paid version. Okay, so just pick anyone for the purpose of this teaching. Once I'm done with that, I type in a few texts, then play it for us to listen to. So just a quick recap. Today we learned how to use a template using Animaker. Click on the template, then made some text adjustments, changed the colors, and we tinkered with our character, changed the background, and now we are doing text to speech. So I'm just typing a few text in. I've selected a voice already. So now let's click OK. Let's see. Nice playing. Did you hear that?
Thank you all for attending my birthday party.
Okay, so just play the voice notes. I don't know if you're able to hear that. So it's already attached or added to the scene. So very simple. That's how you go about adding text to speech to your scene. So you can also, like I said at the beginning, that you can also animate your text by doing some smart move. So it shows how the text comes in and moves around. So I just play that. That. Let's play that scene and see what happens to our text. Okay. So I believe you enjoyed this tutorial. You love making animated video. I recommend this site for you. Just go there, create your own project from the beginning, or you can use any of the templates that are available at the site. Once you are done, look at the top right hand corner, publish your video, and you can use this on any of the platform that you so wish to use them on. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.